But this one in particular is a gentleman who was embedded in the Afghan army, doing special services and so forth, and worked directly with them. And when he left the service after being deployed 4 times to Afghanistan, he came back to the United States, and he and his wife have 2 young sons. He ended up getting his MBA in finance and did a lot with accounting and so forth. Always had the passion to serve, to make things better. In the meantime, he had been working for and with a construction company, so was into the idea of construction, right? So loved the fact that there were some sort of relationship there as well. And ultimately, he bought the franchise, is in Southern California now, just opened his doors under 6 months ago, and is going great guns. I actually contacted him last week, and he was telling me how busy he was just a couple of months after opening, which is fantastic. But I think the sweetest part of this story is among the people he is serving are not just the Americans who are in his marketplace, but rather there was an Afghan officer who brought his wife and 7 children from Afghanistan to Southern California. And our franchisee there has employed that man to give him a way to continue to support his family and so forth. This is a gentleman who does not speak much English just yet, but is obviously completely focused on supporting his family and so forth. And our franchisee was able to give him employment, has helped them at a personal level as well, providing meals and so forth before the family got settled. And, those are the success stories that come through where you're like, look, this is the right person. Talk about a servant's heart. Somebody who's going to go out there, and if he's taking care of his own employees like that, we are very confident he's going to be taking care of the customers we serve as well.